Okay, folks, it's time to do another unboxing of comics for the shop this week. Looks like it's another big week. Got starting with the Penguin Random House. Got 2 boxes and 4 mailers. I got the big box from Lunar, the double-sized box. So here we go. First mailer, Donnie. X-Men of Apocalypse, #1. Let's take a look inside. Since it's a #1. And there's the art in X-Men of Apocalypse, #1. Let's see, let me adjust this. $5.99, big $5.99 cover price. Tappy Tappy does have a cover. All right. It's a rather thick mailer. Let's see what we got. Daintily packaged. Did that help it? We'll see. Well, here we got Godzilla, which is a #1. These are the Cal set Godzillas. They're all #1s from what I can tell. This is a variant cover. Could be second printing. I don't know. Anyway, there's that. Let's see if it says. Yep, second printing. Godzilla Cal set era #1. Okay, moving a little slow. Let's speed up. Star Trek Lower Decks #11. Godzilla, Here There Be Aliens, #4. Star Wars, Tales from the Nightlands, #1. $5.99 cover price. Tappy Tappy has cover, rather substantial cover. And there's the art. Tales from the Nightlands, #1. Oh, hold on. That's curious. Yeah, these have taken a corner hit. I don't think it's anything serious. But you can see where they got a pretty strange corner hit. Doesn't look like it's affected these other books. Just those. So they got hit in the corner before they got to put in the mailer. Remember when Penguin and Lunar never did damage anything? I mean, it was rare. Now it's not rare anymore. Godzilla, excuse me, Godzilla #2. That's Cal set era #2. Got several of those. Those are actually selling pretty well. Power Rangers Prime #10. Next mailer, also quite thick. That one's clearly been hit on the corner, so wish me luck. Hampstead, second shift. Never gotten one that said first shift. Must do something else. Okay, these are restock. Does not appear to have any corner damage. Restock Spider-Man #11, aka Spider-Man #975. That was some kind of key issue. Like I said, we're in a college town. The students have come back. And I sold a lot of comics, so I figured I should restock some of them. Maybe just Amazing Spider-Man. And here's some variant covers of that I didn't get before. I thought that one was cool, so I reordered that. And it doesn't look like anything got hit on the corner, so hooray. This one might have some problems. Like right there, that could be bad. It's all poofed out on both sides. I'm a little worried about this one. Wow. Daintily packaged. Stuff is in a bag. There's some shiny stuff. Fantastic Four, number 9, Facsimile Edition. Obviously the foil variant. Doesn't look damaged. Well, it actually is, because it's got a spine ding, but that's not from a corner hit, so who knows. There's some more of those, looks like. Fantastic Four, number 9, Facsimile Edition. Not shiny. And these are Punisher Red Band. This is, I believe, a foil variant. Punisher Red Band, number 1. Polybagged and sanitized for your protection. That, I believe, is a variant. Yep, it's a variant. I'm not going to open them, but they are $4.99 cover price. I'm going to feel it up here, make sure it's not damaged. Looks okay. And this looks to be the regular cover. Punisher, number 1, Red Band. Got several of those. Those might sell. You never know. Okay, to the boxes. This one's not very heavy. There's not much in here. Just stuff out so we can packing material all back in there. Have Voyeur Ashcan, I guess. What are they calling this? And Murder Podcast. Ashcan and Ashcan. So those are kind of cool. Well, that was that one. And next box. Last box from the Penguin. And this should be, like I said, a pretty big week. This box is not super heavy or anything. Here's the packing slip invoice thingy. It was damaged. That's a bad sign. All right. Get some of them out. Ooh, that's cool. All right, here we go. Imperial War. Nova Centurion, number 1. Let's take a look inside this. There's the art. And Imperial War Nova Centurion, number 1. It is $4.99 cover price. And has a cover. Tappy tappy. One World Under Doom. This has got to be almost over, right? One World Under Doom, number 7. This is a variant cover. And One World Under Doom Marvel Mystic Mayhem variant cover. Of course, that's number 7 also. Another one of those. How cool is this? One World Under Doom, number 7, with the Halloween mask. I think that's awesome. Maybe you don't. I don't know. Here's the dinosaur variant. I'll bet these are the regular covers. They are not. Okay, never mind. One World Under Doom variant cover. Here is Exceptional X-Men number 13, Alex Ross Timeless variants. Two of those. Superior Avengers number 6. And One World Under Doom number 7, regular cover. Probably more of those in there, hopefully. But we're going to the other side of the box, get some different stuff. What is this? Captain America #3. This is the Disney Stitch variant. We got Eddie Brock Carnage #8. Alex Ross Timeless variant with Spine Ding and Shanna the She-Devil cover. Red Hulk #8. I got 2 copies of that. Should have only gotten 1 because no one's buying it. Star Wars Jedi Knights #7. This looks interesting. The Undead Iron Fist #1. Undead Iron Fist #1. Let's take a look inside. $4.99 cover price. Tappy Tappy has cover. There's the art. And the Undead Iron Fist #1. Deadpool and Wolverine #3. Helverine #10. We got a pretty bad damage. A little crumple there. And that's because Tappy Tappy, it uses the same paper as the interior as the cover, so it's not very sturdy. Edge of Venomverse #1. Let's take a look at that. Oh, big old $6.99 cover price. My goodness. That has a cover. Tappy Tappy. There's the credits. Not sure why they need that many credits. That seems like a lot. Maybe there's multiple stories. There's the art. Yeah, there's multiple stories. And Edge of Venomverse #1. Seems like a lot of #1s this week. Here's another One World. Here's more of the One World Under Dooms because I said there was more. Can't get them out of the box. Bear with me. I'm having some problems getting the comics out of the box. Okay. One World Under Doom #7. We saw that already. These are selling pretty well, so I got a bunch. Ultimate Spider-Man Incursion #4. Spider-Man Incursion #4. Ultimate Wolverine #9. I think I heard they're getting rid of or ending this run of the Ultimate Universe. Not sure why they would do that because seems really popular. More Edge of Venomverse. Eddie Brock Carnage #8. Another one of those. Spider-Verse Venomverse #5. A lot of Venomverse going on this week. 2 of those. And Exceptional X-Men #13. Regular cover. Let's see. Here's Captain America #3. Yeah, Captain America #3. And that's it for the Penguin Random House order. So next up, we got this giant box from Lunar. And I gotta say, my Lunar orders have been way too big lately. I would love to be spending less, but they picked up all those independent publishers from Diamond, so there's all kinds of stuff now. So there's 2 big boxes in here. This one's all puffed up on the top because they put too much packing material in it. I don't know if you can see that. It's all puffed up. See when I cut this if it pops or something. No, that's pretty anticlimactic there. And it is optimistically half full. A poster for Court, Children of the Round Table. I didn't get very many of those comics. I don't know. They're hyping it, but I don't think it's going to be a thing. I could be wrong. Oh, this is Blue Falcon and Dynamite week. They really got me on that. I got to watch out for these Dynamite comics. They've really got that variant game going good. They can really suck some money out of you on that. Because they'll have like 1 in 5s and then 1 in 10s and then there's multiple 1 in 5s. So they can really, let's even, I don't see the invoice. Never mind. Anyway, Blue Falcon and Dynamite. This would be cover A. $4.99 cover price. Oh, it's got a corner issue. Not too bad. But it is cardstock. Tappy, so corner issue is bad. Let's take a look inside. Blue Falcon and Dynamite. It's written by Jimmy Palmiotti. Here's the rest of the credits. That's a pretty bad corner dang up there. Actually, it didn't hit the cover. I don't know how they did that. Weird. Ads. Come on, give me a page. There's the art. In Blue Falcon and Dynamite, number 1. So there's that. Got, what have I done? Most of my customers are like less than 25 years old. They're not going to have a clue who Blue Falcon and Dynamite is, but yet I've got 2, 4, 6, 7 copies of the regular cover. I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of variants coming. Toxic Crusaders, number 1. We'll check on that. Give this the once over. A lot of number 1s this week. $4.99 cover price. I wouldn't consider that a cover. It's not very substantial. Let's compare that sound to this one. Sounds the same with the tappy. Toxic Crusaders, number 1. Lots of green slime. There's your art in Toxic Crusaders, number 1. Here is Transformers, number 24. Is that a B? Yeah, it's cover B. Transformers number 1, cover B. Gotcha Man, number 12. That's a variant cover. That would make this the regular cover, I believe. Yep, to Gotcha Man number 12. Pretty cool. Space Ghost number 2. This is the regular cover A. Space Ghost number 2. It is cardstock. Tappy. Blue Falcon and Dynamite number 1. This is the Authentics blank variant, which does not have the regular cover underneath. Here we go with shiny ones. Blue Falcon and Dynamite foil. Very shiny. And here's another one. So this is the foil variant of the regular cover. And then this is the foil variant of this cover, which is somehow cover D. And the foil variant is cover C. That doesn't even make sense. Anyways, Blue Falcon and Dynamite. Here's another Blue Falcon Dynamite. There's that. I have no clue who this person is. Other than that, it's a cool cover. There's another one. Also cardstock. Give it tappy. Tappy. This is probably the 1 in 10 if I had to guess. Yeah, I think that's the 1 in 10 Transformers #1. One of the only comics that I can sell 10 copies of every month that actually offers a 1 in 10. Here's a Blue Falcon Dynamite #1 sketch variant. I'm sure that was a ratio variant. I don't know where the packing slip thing went. Maybe we'll see that later, but that would tell me. Here's more shiny foil. There's that. That one is cover. Let's say cover R. Gosh. I'll tell you how many variant covers they got for that. Here's Blue Falcon and Dynamite foil, shiny foil variant of the one with that weird guy on it. Cover S. And the foil variant, this one at least it's too shiny. I can't read it. What does it say? It's upside down. I still can't see it. Let's see. Where's the price? I saw it on there. $9.99. Here's a foil variant of Blue Falcon Dynamite. This one is cover T. Cover T. Here's this one. This will be a virgin foil variant of the one with weird guy on it. It is cover U. And here is cover M. And they actually say, that's nice of them, it actually says incentive on there. So some of these are incentives. I'm not going to go back and look at them all. That says foil incentive on that one. Now, okay. So if it's like a 1 in 5 or 1 in 10, but there's A, B, C, and all those that you have to get to qualify, if there's 5 different variants and I buy them all, and then I get a 1 in 5, that's not really an incentive, is it? You know, if you think about it, that's like just another variant. So, I don't know. I don't know if that even makes sense to you, but it makes sense to me. Transformers, #24. Should be 8 of those, plus the 2 variants, gets me to 1 in 10. And sometimes somebody buys the 1 in 10 Transformers. So that's good. Here's Spawn, number 386. It is cardstock, tappy, but now it is $3.99 cover price. It's still good for cardstock, I guess. Feral, #16. Yeah, that's for a subscriber. Trinity, Daughter of Wonder Woman, #4. Superman, the Kryptonite Spectrum, #2. That feels cardstock, and it is $6.99 cover price. It's #2, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it, but I will give it a tappy. Here is Supergirl, #5. This is a variant cover with a kitty. It's cardstock. I could have given it tappy. Supergirl and her Super Pets, #5. That's why it was got a kitty on it. Green Lantern Corps, #8. Back into the box we go. We still got plenty more in this box, plus a whole nother box. So something big could happen. Return to Skull Island. Ooh, I see what's next. Return to Skull Island, #3, which of course is King Kong. And they finally sent this. It's nice of them. This is, if you can't see it, it is the Invisible Man variant. This is the thank you variant. Oh, look, they've done this inside. Because it's an Invisible Man variant. I thought just the blank, look, it's got a thing. I thought the blank variant was more creative than this, actually. Now, some of these, this is the corrected edition, which I did not get the original error version. But this is the corrected edition because the other one just had regular full-color pages inside. Now, I was under the impression it's supposed to be like black and white or sketch or something going on inside. I know it's completely blank. That's kind of goofy. Here's a Feral number 15. Like I said, that's a special order for subscriber. Wanted to catch up on that book by buying stuff. And last stack out of this box, there's another box. Fire and Ice When Hell Freezes Over, number 6. DC Sonic the Hedgehog. What is going on here? Okay, 5th printing, number 1, 5th printing on DC Sonic the Hedgehog team up or versus or whatever it is. Birds of Prey, number 25. Court, Children of the Round Table. I may have only gotten 2 of these. I don't know. Maybe people want them. Maybe the wrong thing to do. But Court, Children of the Round Table, number 1. Let's see, $3.99 cover price. Tappy Tappy has no cover. There's the art. In Court, Children of the Round Table. And here is Batman, Gotham by Gaslight. A League for Justice, number 3. Here is Batman Dark Patterns, number 10. 1 copy of Aquaman, number 9. Probably should have got more. That's supposed to be some kind of, I don't know, maybe a key. I don't know. Superman Action Comics, which is Action Comics number 1090. Batman and Robin, number 25. And last one's in these box, this box. Absolute Batman, number 12. Okay, only one more box from Lunar coming. But I'm going to go ahead and say it's heavier than the last one, so watch out. We got some comics coming. I thought Deadpool, Batman Deadpool was this week. I guess not, because that was coming from Marvel, I believe. This looks like it's just going to be bundles. I got a bunch of bubble wrap. You don't need to see bubble wrap. Here's pack and slip invoice thingy. So now we can look at Blue Falcon. Blue Falcon Dynamite. Like authentic. Okay, so Blue Falcon Dynamite cover L through U are the incentives. So, yeah, now we know. And this looks like it may all be bundles. This is for Batman Day. Coming up, Batman Day. This will be free on Batman Day. Batman and Robin, year 1, number 1. Batman Gotham Sampler, number 1 preview. Batman year 2, number 1 for Batman Day. And the last bundle we have for Batman Day. And this is weird because these will not be free on Batman Day because I had to pay a lot for them, and they actually have a cover price on them of $2.99. They were a little cheaper than what usually you have to pay, but Absolute Batman number 1. Hard to tell what printing, but since it's Batman Day, it's considered first printing, but it's different. And anyways, so those will be $2.99, but you can get them on Batman Day. I think Batman Day is like September 20th or something like that. I'm not sure. If you come to the shop expecting Batman Day and it's not here, then I forgot about it because I got a lot going on, and you know, it's not like it's free. For watching, like, and subscribe. Bye.